Page 16, thumbs on C. Another position for hand position. So we've had C position here. And we've had G position is here. That's just one of the C and G positions we've had. Well, this thing is called middle C position. It's where the thumbs, both of them are on middle C, and the other fingers are on the other notes. So the thumbs are sharing middle C, because we don't need two fingers on a note. I mean, there isn't room anyway, if your hands are big. But it's either one or the other, and then it just gets it, they share it, they take turns. It depends on where the note is in the music. If it's in the upper staff, the right hand will play it, and if it's in the lower staff, the lower hand will play it. I'm leaving it to you to learn the names of the notes in the music. Please, do the play it and say it drill if you need to for a while until they become automatic to you. You play the note and say the name of it. Like here, thumbs on C, you got F, G, A, B, C. Of course, they got the names of the notes there in the second verse, but you need to be able to say it and play it. So let's look this over. It's 2 lines long with a repeat sign, so we're going to play it twice. Treble, bass, clef, 4/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes and half notes. All right, the left hand's playing the first line and the right hand's playing the second. So here you just put your hand in the middle C position and we play the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the idea? So you go through and play it carefully. You should be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. Keep your eyes on the music. We want to feel where our hands are. Remember where our fingers are. No hesitations anywhere. And then I think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte, which is moderately loud. Sort of loud. Not loud, just sort of loud. Here. Whatever you think that is. In the second line, they gave you another MF. That's unnecessary. You don't need it. You can cross it out. You're already MF. So just stay there. They're just giving one for each staff, and that's not necessary. As far as the speed goes, it says moderately slow. Well, again, what's that? It's not slow. It's just sort of slow. If you were going to sing it sort of slow, slow would be, that's slow. And moderate in the middle somewhere is somewhere in there. Well, it's a little slower. This between those or somewhere. Please don't copy me. You don't have to take it that speed. Your loudness, how loud you are, might be different. Whatever. You do it. Now, once you can play it, and then come back to the video, let's play it together slowly and double check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts because there's 4 beats in a measure. And we are going to do it twice because it's repeated. You should be playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. And this is after you've learned it. Learn it first and then do this. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 4. Repeat. 3, 4. 5, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4.